he's being? Well, he's just a boy after all. And of course that means he thinks he knows everything and doesn't need anybody. I know you've all been through some rough times, and it sure is true now that you really need each other. So don't be too hard on him. Try to keep your sense of humor up. Boys will be boys, even when they're men. Whether it's a bottle of whiskey or 112 ounces of chocolate pudding, guys will always need some silly little thing to make them happy when all they really need to make them happy is other people. Oh, and I sure hope you find Judith and all the others real soon. Oh, and don't worry too much. I don't blame you none for getting lost out there in the woods. You did the best you could. And, well, anyway, I thought you might need a laugh, so Otis helped me come up with this song. And Amy and Andrea, yeah, they helped with the backup vocals. Hit it, Otis! Carl searches the house in the morning light. Sheriff Rick says you're not doing it right. Oh, Mr. Rick, you fucked up everyone. And your boy, he just wants to have his guns. Oh yeah, your boy, he just wants to have his guns. The phone rings in the middle of the night. Sheriff Rick yells, what could I have done to save your life? Oh, Mr. Rick, dear, you're just a pile of number 2, cause your boy, he just wants to have his guns. Oh, your boy just wants to have his guns. That's really all he wants. Some guns. You know, girls, they want to have fun. But boys, all they want is their guns. You know, girls, all they want is some fun. But boys, all they want is their guns. When the foraging day is done, yeah, the boys, they just want to have guns. The boys, they want to have guns. The boys, they follow their fathers like a dog on her leash. Their goddamn lecturing will never cease. That's all they really want, their guns. Them girls, they just want to have their fun. The boys, they just want to hold their guns. Yeah, they want to have their guns. The boys, they just want their guns. And boys, they Bye.